But the main reason I'm interested in it is for the skincare and the body sculpting and the cellulite, okay? But it can be used for many things. So it says that it can be used to sculpt your body without any surgical intervention. Back to my channel, babies, and today this video is going to be on how to get rid of body fat and cellulite and actually just sculpt your body. You know what I mean? I know many ladies actually go and pay for services as far as body sculpting, but this product is something that you can use in your home at your own convenience. Okay, so before we get into the details of the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, hey boo. Okay, you guys, I have been waiting to tell you guys about this product. I am so excited, and I am so excited to try it out. I will be giving product information and doing the unboxing in this video. I will also be doing a product demonstration in this video. That's the reason why I have on this sports bra right now, because I'm actually going to be giving a demonstration on my stomach. Okay, so let's get into the products that we have. Okay, so the name of the product that we're going to be featuring in this video today is called BelleGlory. I will leave all the details below in the description box so you can check out their site. You can do your own research and you make a final decision on your own. But before I get into the details, I want to say that this product is FDA cleared. Okay, so if you're concerned about anything of that nature, just know that it is cleared by the FDA. And if that makes you feel a little bit more comfortable, baby, then by all means, honey, go for it. Okay, so what I have today is the BelleGlory Massaging and Slimming Gel. So this is what the massaging and slimming gel looks like, okay? Maybe if I move it to the side, you can see it a little bit more. And it basically has the effect on the side. It gives you the ingredients, so you can take a look at that. And any other cautions, you know, keep out of reach of children and those types of things. So you do have that massaging gel that you will need to actually do this at home. And I have the actual product. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It says BelleGlory. It actually has that tool right here on the front that you will be using to sculpt your body in the house, and I am just so excited about it because this is something that I wanted to try, but I wasn't willing to pay $95, $100 per session. You can pay that flat rate and then you're good to go. On the back of the box, you have where you can scan and it can bring up additional information on this product. So if you want to make it easier on yourself, you can use this quick scan. And I think these are they always come in handy. You know what I mean? Okay, so yeah. So let's get into the packaging list. So as soon as you open up the box, it tells you exactly what's in the box, okay? So you can kind of check through to make sure you have everything you need and to make sure you're not missing anything, okay? So we want to make sure that we have everything we need. So when we go in to do this process, we are doing everything appropriately so we can see these results, okay? So that's the main thing. We really, really want to see results, okay? So for the packing list, we have the actual BelleGlory, and that is actually the product that you will be using here. We have the power adapter. We have a conductor. We have a contact pad. It's actually 2 contact pads in here. We have gloves, in just in case you need them. We have 1 pair of gloves. We have the safe glasses that you can use as well, 1 pair of glasses. And we have the product instructions that I will be taking a look at because I want to make sure I'm doing it properly. Okay, so let's open this box up. Okay, so when I open that box up, this is what it looks like. You can see right here on the side, we already have the gloves, and you can see that we have the slimming and beautifying machine, okay? And it's just going to give us details on that product right there. So I'm going to open up this box and kind of just run through and show you guys everything. And then I'm going to get into more details of the product, and I am going to do my product demonstration, okay? Okay, so right here we have the actual tool that we will be using to sculpt our body, get rid of that fat, burn some of that fat, and get rid of that cellulite. And you can actually use this on your face. So if you feel like your face is too fat and you would like to slim down your face, you can also use this product for that as well. So I'm going to say that it's not heavy. It's very sturdy. So that's a good thing. And you want to make sure that whatever you're using for the first time, you want to make sure it looks like quality. Okay. You do not want to be trying out anything that looks cheap. Okay. So this, you can tell it looks like quality. And I'm just going to bring it in a little closer so you can see. I'm going to go ahead and pull that off because I'm not going to need that on there. Okay. Okay, so now we do have that product information that the box had stated before that was included in this. Okay, so we have those product descriptions, and when you first open it up, it gives you details on, you know, different parts of this BelleGlory right here. Okay, so it gives you different details on this product here and different settings that you can use. You can press the middle button and go to different modes. There's also more than one mode that you can use on this tool. Okay. Okay, so just by looking in this book, I want to give you some details on what you can actually use this product for. We know it can be used for burning fat. Okay, if you want to get rid of fat in your arm area, stomach area, back area, you can do that. Okay, you can also use this for a waist massage and lower abdomen massage. So just say if you've been working out really hard, you're sore, and you need something to help with that soreness, you can use this tool for that as well. And I think that's great. Everybody is not interested in body sculpting. So if you're just interested in relieving some of that soreness from your body, you can do that clearly with this product too. And I be needing that too, boo, because when I be in the gym, I be tired. Okay, so you can use it as a massage tool as well. Okay, so you can use this to massage your waist, lower abdomen, your hips, any area that you would like to massage on your body. Feel free to do so. Okay, so it's also used to improve the look of your body. Okay, it's definitely a skincare tool, but at the same time, you can use it to sculpt your body. Okay, so I have the website pulled up on my iPad, and I just want to go through some things that this can be used for, because just looking at the product information, it can be used for a lot, okay? But the main reason I'm interested in it is for the skincare and the body sculpting and the cellulite, okay? But it can be used for many things. So it says that it can be used to sculpt your body without any surgical intervention, remove body fat from localized areas, relax muscles, relieve muscle spasms, relieve muscle pain, okay? Get rid of stubborn belly fat, cellulite, sagging, and double chin. So you can use this in your face area, your chin area, okay, if you need to at all. Stimulate collagen production to tighten skin, remove wrinkles, and eliminate fine lines on the body and face, okay? Enhance skin elasticity, prevent wrinkles, and remove acne. So I might use this on my face too, you know, just to see, give it a trial and run and see how it actually works out for me, okay? Achieve the effect of cleansing from dust, dirt, and toxic cosmetics. Okay, so just if you using makeup and things like that on your face, you want to make sure you're cleaning your skin properly, and that's something that will prevent acne if you are cleaning your skin properly. Okay. Brazilian butt lift, tone and shape glutes at home, baby. That's my favorite part of this. I'm gonna be using it for the Brazilian butt lift, tone and shape glutes at home, babe. Cause who finna be walking around here with a flat ass? Not me. Okay, stimulate your metabolism, postpartum period slimming. Okay, tightening and lifting the skin and repairing stretch marks. So this product can be used for so much, but today we're gonna jump into using it for tightening, okay, and removing body fat. So I'm gonna apply the massaging and slimming gel on my belly, and I'm gonna go in and use this product and see how it goes, you guys. Okay. If you're interested in purchasing this product, all the details will be below in the description box, as well as my discount code. My discount code is PrettyK for 15% off. The retail price for this product is usually like $260, but right now it's on sale for about $100. So go ahead and catch that sale plus my discount code so you can be sculpting your body at home instead of paying for sessions after sessions or either paying for surgery. Okay, so let's try to make this as easy as we can and as easy on the pockets as we can, so we won't be spending as much money. Okay, this will take time for you to see results. Okay, so it will take a few weeks for you to actually see results, but if you stay consistent and you follow the product information tablet, that tells you different information on how the product should be used, you should be fine, okay? As long as you're using it properly and staying consistent, because that's the number one thing. You have to be consistent with anything you do. You'll be good to go. Okay, so I just cut it on, plugged it up, and you can kind of see what it looks like. So let me change the mode here. Okay, I'm gonna use the color light today, okay? And I'm gonna go in with that massaging gel. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and do a product demonstration. I have taken the massaging gel out of the box, and this is what it looks like. It's a pretty good size, seems like you can use it for a while. It don't have a strong smell to it at all. And you're supposed to use it in a circular motion. Okay, you guys, so I tried the product out. It didn't bother me at all. I mean, it wasn't feeling uncomfortable. It didn't burn. Okay, you guys, I want to drop in really quick and say that initially I didn't feel anything, but 10 to 15 minutes after I finished the process, I started feeling kind of warm in my belly area. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there that you may experience that after you finish using the product. But initially, it feels like you're not really doing anything, but 10 to 15 minutes later you will feel kind of like warm in that area. So I do feel warm in my stomach area. So I just wanted to drop in and say that. Okay, so yeah, back to the video. Bye. I mean, it didn't really feel like I was doing anything, but I like it that it didn't cause any pain or anything. But yeah, so this is something that I'm going to stay consistent with. I'm going to look more into the details of what all this product can do, because it seems like it's a perfect skincare product and also a body sculpting product for the ladies, okay? So if you're interested in purchasing this product, my discount code will be below in the description box. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.